the repair I'm going to do here. Well, with these molding interior prybar set, a nylon that I got at Harbor Freight, I'm going to pry this out. You know, just pries out with here, and then here there's going to be three bolts or three screws. That they're all 8mm, and that it holds on this mirror. And then there's a wire connector that controls the you know, the adjustment of the mirror. After getting this off, it just clips in here and here. You can see that there is 3 bolts right here, and right there. They're all 8mm, and then you have this here to pull out as well, to take this mirror off. Again, I'm going to be using the new socket for this. I'll let you know how I like it. It feels, you know, this part here, the ratcheting mechanism, feels tighter than the other one. Of course, it is 20. The other one's really old. It's from, but it's functional. So, you know, take off these bolts, and then this mirror just pops off. You know, I've got 2 screws out. Take this third out. What you want to do is, as you do this, take your other hand and hold the mirror up with the other hand so it doesn't just fall out to the floor. Then you need to push these 2 clips in to get the mirror off. Then you take the new mirror, and it just slides back in, and these clips will expand and kind of hold it in place while you can put the screws in. You can always see I'm holding it in. You got to do that while I'm together. Really, ratchet felt really good. So, and then this cover just snaps in on, you know, like that. So that's gonna pretty much conclude this video.